feels like.
Let me start brewing the coffee. So again, I would like to ask, do you have any idea what's I'm brewing? Actually, I'm brewing Lao.
Oh,
yeah. Oh my God. So tonight,
Lara, mababato ka na.
Labs doing at Starbucks. Alright, so now I'm starting to brew your sunrise Ethiopia yogurt.
Your love is like the best love. So just like our Richard coffee. So the love you give or you have given me and still continue to give me is definitely like Sunday Ethiopia. One of the best coffee that Starbucks has ever had. So why coffee is comforting to the spirit. So it's your love. And
Come in, sige.
it's comforting to the spirit and stimulating to the heart. And most of all, it warms me all over. So we've been together for 9 years. And just like what I said earlier, I've given you too much pain for 9 years. But tonight, every girl's dream is for their man to take a knee and ask their hand for marriage. So you've been asking for a ring, right? So for so long, I haven't been honest with you. Kinukupitan ko yung sweldo.
Sabi ko nila.
That's for a good reason. I've been saving for this. So tonight,
Sorry.
really meron. Malay ko yan. Bakit ko pinagpunan niya, ha?
Sweet! Congratulations! Kiss! Hug! Oh! Congrats! Nilalawi ako na naiyak na. Nilalawi ako.